innovation and research where students and faculty collaborate to learn, research, create, innovate, inspire, and incubate. As our vision, we try to provide completely research based education. So, our university organized one day webinar on reference management on for research article and thesis writing using Mendeley software. On this occasion, our resource person is Mrs. Swati, lecturer in physics, Telangana Social Welfare Residential Degree College for Women, Telangana. After the introductory session, I would like to invite Mrs. Swati to start the session and share her valuable knowledge with us.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the nice introduction. Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
First of
ma'am.
Good morning.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning. First of all, I would like to thank my friend Saujanya, who introduced me this Mendeley software. Actually, I'm pursuing my PhD in ISBM University under the extreme supervision of Dr. N. Kumarswamy sir, Professor ISBM University, and co-supervision of Dr. N. Pavan Kumar sir, Assistant Professor, Madras Engineering College, Hyderabad. I would like to thank them. I would like to thank my supervisor, Kumar sir, for organizing this webinar. And I would like to extend my thanks to Dr. N. Pavan Kumar sir for encouraging me for this webinar. Thank you so much, everyone. Now I wanted to start my session. Shall I share my screen?
Yeah, ma'am.
Let me share my screen. Yeah. Okay. So first of all, as being a research scholar, we know the difficulty of managing the references to our research article. It's very hectic for us, actually. Writing an article is one part, and can you please, everyone, mute yourself? Yeah. Thank you so much. So first of all, it's a very hectic task for us. Writing an article is one task, and adding the references, managing the references is another very big task. Suppose if you are writing a small article, it will be no problem for you. But if you are writing your thesis or any review article, if you are going to write, you have to add n number of articles, like minimum 100 or 200, like that articles you have to add. So at that purpose, while making the research article, you'll make numbers, number one, number two reference you are going to give. But if any in any sentence, if you wanted to remove, or any paragraph you wanted to remove, you have to change the entire references, right? It will be very hectic task. So there is one stop and quick easy solution we have, that is Mendeley software. Here, by using that software, automatically it will detect the research articles. We have to just download and register. Here we are three important steps we need to follow. One is we need to download the software, and you have to register with your mail ID, first thing. And the second one is importing the articles to the Mendeley desktop version. That is the second thing. And finally, you can add those references to your research article as well as for your thesis. It will take only half an hour time, and last 10 minutes is most important for you, because where I'm going to explain how to add those articles from Mendeley to your research article. Okay, you can call it as your own literature hub also, because where you can store your articles, and you can read, and you can add those articles to your articles, right? And see here, I'm going to share can you see the screen?
Yeah, you open the document.
Yeah, can you able to see this?
Yes, madam.
Okay, thank you. See, this is the instruction manual that I'm going to send after the presentation. Here, each and every instruction that I kept like a step 1, step 2, like that. If you have any queries, you can contact these two mail IDs. And step 1 here, downloading the software. And step 2, it's the registration. And step 3 is adding the articles to your Mendeley desktop version. And after that, final step is adding those references to your article. Right. So step 1 by 1, I'm going to explain. See here, this is the link where you can download your desktop version. I already downloaded. Here you can see the Mendeley desktop icon. See, this is the icon for that. And by double click on that, you can install this Mendeley desktop version to your laptop. So by clicking the simple steps, you can install it. See, like this. And after the installation, you have to register with your registered mail ID and password. It will be like your Facebook or Instagram account, like that. So you with which mail ID you are going to register in that one. In that account, you can store all your articles. Like by clicking the finish, it will be open. It will take, yeah. So this is the interface that you can see. This welcome to Mendeley, and you need to register with your mail ID, that swati.mendeley@gmail.com. Next, password. Yeah. So with your I already added some articles. First of all, I'll remove all those articles and I'll explain you how to add those articles, right? Folders. Okay, so this is the interface that you can see after registration. This is the first step, and see you can see the tabs like file, edit, view, tools, and see one by one. I'll explain. See, in that file tabs, you can find some options like add files, add folder, watch folder, and these are the options that you can use to add the articles to your Mendeley desktop. So next, edit. These are the same options that you can see, and that important tab is tools. Here we need to install these two plugins. See, we can add articles, already downloaded articles also we can add, and through online like some journals like JEEM or Science Direct, from those journals also we can directly add those articles from online. So for that purpose, it's very important to install this web importer. So from the web, we are going to import all those articles. So if you click on that, it will be open, like you have to accept all cookies, and then you can see this get web importer for your Chrome. So click on this. It will be asking your permission, like to see add to Chrome. So by clicking on this, it will be asking your permission, right? So add extension. Now you can see the extension here. See, this is the Mendeley Web Importer extension. Now it added to my Google Chrome. Like that same you can add to your one. Next, see install MS Word plugin. MS Word plugin. It will be used when you are going to add these articles to references to your article. Like so, first you can see this in this reference tab. There is no Mendeley desktop icon, right? So see, make sure when you are adding that MS Word plugin, you have to close all the Word documents which are open in your laptop. Like you have to close first, then you can go to the tools, then click on install MS Word plugin. So when you install it, when you click on that one, automatically it will be added to your Word document. Now I'll show you. See, now I'm opening the Word now. So you can see where open the reference tab. Right, now you can see this one. So after clicking the MS Word plugin, you can see insert citation, bibliography, open manually. This icon will be appear on your Word document. So by clicking on the insert citation only, we can add those references to your article. Now I'm closing it. So now these are the simple steps. First, you have to download, then register, then add these two plugins. That's it. It is very simple. And next step is adding the articles to your Mendeley desktop. So how to add? There are so many ways to add articles to your Mendeley desktop. First, I'll explain you one by one. See, this is one reference paper. So by simply dragging it to this Mendeley desktop, you can add it. See this. In all documents, you can see that. This is the paper. On the right side, you can see all the details like title. It is a journal article, comparative study of structural electrical, like this. Title and authors and which journal and in which year it is published, like this. And abstract, DOI, all the details you can see. Suppose if you wanted to study the paper, what you have to do is you have to double click on it. If you double click on it, in the next tab, it will be open. So you can read the entire paper here itself by simply adding that article. So the entire paper will be open in the next tab. You can see the details here. So like this, we can add. This is one of the ways. And next one is, see in the file tab also, add files. By clicking the add files, we can add. See this, add files. Yeah. So in the desktop, I already kept one folder like research articles. So in that one, ferrites, like one paper, suppose Kumar 2014 paper that I'm going to add. Now, see this. See the same, right? So suppose if you wanted to add n number of papers at a time, so what you have to do? See here from files, add folder. Add folder, by clicking on that, you can add, or else see here the plus icon. So if you click on this drop down button, you can see the options like add files, add folder, watch folder. These are all different ways. Now I'm going to add a number of articles at a time. So that what I have to do is I click on that add folder. Now see on the desktop, I kept that research articles folder. So I have chosen like desktop research articles. In that ferrites. Now I'm going to open. Now all the articles you can add at a time to your Mendeley desktop. See this. Suppose if any paper, if you wanted to read, like by clicking on that, you can see whether which paper it is, and by double click on that, you can see the entire paper. This is these are the documents which I already downloaded, right? And suppose if you are working on different areas like thin films, ferrites, and multiferroids, like etc. So like that, if you are working on multiple areas, you can create your own folders. Like see this here, it is an option called a create folder. So now I'm adding like ferrites. Okay, next. I'm going to create another folder, like I'm working on multiferroids, so that multiferroids. And suppose if you are working on thin films also, you can do it, right? So these are the different folders. N number of folders you can create, right? And suppose if you have your own publications, after publish your own publications, you can keep them in this my publications. Right now it's ferrites. If you click on that ferrite, it will be open, right? Ferrite folder it is. Now I wanted to add all my articles, like add folder. So on the desktop, right. So here research articles, ferrites, entire folder that I'm going to add. Next in multiferroids, this is a multiferroids folder. Now I'm going to add folder. Right, the same process. The desktop research articles and multiferroids. Okay, so this you can see. And here if you see that view tab, see library as a table. Table means authors, titles, like that. You can see the options, or else you can view as library as citations. Now it is different, like 12 hours ago you added, like that. So whichever it is comfortable for you, you can do it. And citation styles, we have different citation styles. This will use in your research article while adding the references. So this is one of the ways to add articles offline mode. And if I wanted to add any article from the web, like, so if I open this, suppose multiferroics, okay, multiferroics. If I'm working on it, see this science. Right now I'm opening one journal, so here I can find a number of articles, right? Synthesis strategies, like suppose if I want this paper, to add to my Mendeley. What I have to do is I have to click on this. So the same interface you can see, and here see add to Mendeley, one icon you can see here, add to Mendeley. So click on this. Now see, we already installed a Mendeley Web Importer extension here. That extension you can see here, right? So Mendeley Web Importer, it will be used now. So you have to sign in with the register mail ID which you used to for the Mendeley desktop, right? So now I'm yeah, this is my mail ID. I'm going to continue with that by typing the password. You can open your Mendeley account here. Yeah, so after sign in, you can see this kind of page, right? So, and also not only that article which you search for it, and the related articles also you can see here, like synthesis something, different papers also you can see. See, if I wanted to add this journal, now I can add directly, or else if I wanted to move it to some particular folder. Now this is a paper which is related to multiferroics, so that you can click on this My Library and click on multiferroics, so that directly it will add to that folder. So click on that add, right? So synthesis strategies of single phase composite multiferroic nanostructures. It is actually right now. We'll check whether it is added or not. And see, after adding the article from online, you have to synchronize it. It will synchronize all the articles. It will take a few more minutes, but it will synchronize. And after that, you can see whether it is added or not. So the title is synthesis, right? See, it is synchronizing. See, these are the ways to add your articles to the Mendeley desktop. And see, we can search also. See, by clicking this search drop down button, see, you can see the authors, titles, publication names, years, and notes, right? So by typing the author names or the title, like keywords, if you have like magnetism, structural, electrical behavior, elastic behavior, like that, the titles also, and publication names, and the year, in which year it is published, in the year also. By all these ways, we can search any article. Okay, so now I'll check whether if I open all the documents, see, suppose by title, right? So Lalita is, yeah, so she is the author, like elastic behavior of some magnet based orthonomics. By author name, we can search, or else by year also. See, in 2020 so many papers published. See this, these are the papers which we can search. And by publication name also, nanomaterials. Let's see here, like this, scientific report, nanomaterials. And titles, suppose elastic behavior, like, see this. So many papers. So these are the different ways to search any article. Now 2 steps we finished. One is downloading and registration. Second one is adding the articles to the Mendeley desktop. Now your work 75% of is completed. Now the last and final step is how to add these references to your article. That's most important one. See, for that purpose, I'm opening my article. See this. This is the article that now I'm going to add my references to this one. See here. Suppose if I wanted to add any reference here, so click here, then open your reference tab, then insert citation. So like same how we search in that one by title, author, or the year, here also we can do the same thing. See, suppose 2021. So in 20 now I wanted to add this paper, Michael Spinel Ferrets. So click on OK. Click on OK. Now you can see this. It is a reference number 1, right? And here now I wanted to add one more reference, like paper. Yeah, Bali is author. See, these are the papers. Now I wanted to add this paper. Right. Second, suppose if you are writing any review article, you have to add a number of articles. You have to add some 2 to 3 references at one place only. So for the same thing, you can add here also. Same, insert citation, like 2014. Suppose synthesis and enhanced. See, observing, right? So now it is reference 3. Like that, you can add a number of articles here itself. And suppose if I wanted to add here, decreases. Now insert citation, like elastic, suppose. See, large reversible magnetic effect. This is a paper. Okay, right. So here I have added 4, number 4, and see here I want. Now I'll add up to 10 references, and I'll explain how to add those references. Suppose this is the paper that I wanted to add. Reference number 5. Okay, and next synthesis enhanced electromagnetic absorption. This is the paper that I'm going to add. See this. See here, number 3. Why it is same number? Because we already added the same article here itself. So automatically it will detect. So it will give the same number. This is the one of the important application here. The same number automatically it will take. And here now I'm going to add some more paper, right? Observation, influence, right? Number already it is 5 now it is 6. Now here in applications, because Spinel ferrets already we added, right? Number 7, and here same thing. 17, 8. Okay. Next, 2 more references I'll add here. Right. Number 9, and the last one is number 10. Yeah, so 3 paper. So 10 references I added just right now. Okay, now how to add those references? Okay, now same simple. Click on this insert bibliography. If you click on that, you can see how the references added to your article. See this. 10 references I added. So all 10 references you can see here. And just now I told you that we have so many citation styles. Like if you take American Medical Association, so the citation styles are different. Now you can see the change. Or if you take APA styles, these are different. See here, the difference you can see here also. Actually, it is number 10 now. So Chowdhury and Ramanujan 2015 paper. So whatever the style you take, that will be automatically edit in your research article. Generally, we'll prefer IEEE style. See this, number 10, automatically it took. Suppose now this is adding the references to your article. Suppose if you wanted to remove any article, like what you have to do is you have to delete all the references. Okay, then now I wanted to remove this 10th article. Okay, right. So 10th article I removed. Now only we added only 9 articles. Now insert bibliography. See this. Only 9 articles it took. Suppose if you wanted to add any article in between that. So after 4, I wanted to add one more article, like okay, this one. See this, after 4, I added one more article. So that reference number, it is 5. Automatically 5 will become 6, 6 will become 7. This is the main advantage through this Mendeley. So automatically it will change all the remaining references. And now total 10 articles we added. You can see this. See the 10th article. 10 articles, automatically it will take the references. Yeah. So this is the software where we can easily add all the references. See, in my recent book chapter also, I used so many articles by using this Mendeley software. It is very reliable and free of cost. We can add a number of articles in this one. See, actually, it is a review article. See, I have added almost 74 articles. 74 articles I added by using the Mendeley software itself. It was very reliable and free software where you can download from the internet. See, automatically it will take. I hope I explained well. If you have any doubts, please welcome.
Swati, how
Sir.
it is different from EndNote? EndNote is also a reference writing software we are using. I was also using. So how it is different from EndNote?
Actually, I never used EndNote, sir. So that's why I don't know the difference between them.
And one more question.
Sir.
If we want to add some Hindi article,
Sir.
because most of the scholar also from Hindi background, so is it possible it will get the information from the Hindi article as well? Because that font style and everything will matter in that sense. Have you tried any?
No, sir. I never tried actually Hindi article.
Or you can take any other language article like Telugu, Tamil, whatever. So have you tried?
No, sir. I never tried, but maybe it will take, sir. The same. It will take for what it will use for English articles also. The same thing is happen for the other languages also. I'll try, sir.
Okay. So I would like to share that this is a very important software which you can use to your dissertation, thesis, and research papers, and it is very helpful. I would like to share that it is a very informative webinar. So I request all the scholar to ask any question if they have, because if you use this tool, then your citation, because I when I did my PhD for reference thing, I took it almost 1 month. So that Pawan sir knows better. So 1 month I'm struggling with 1, 2, 3. So sometimes 2 is missing and 2 is not consistent with our So this is the thing. So better you ask any question if you have, and this is very informative and it is a key to the research. Actually, it is a key for any kind of research. So when you have to present your paper, synopsis, everything, you need a proper citation, and citation management mainly plays a very crucial role. So yeah, Shalini madam, your hand is raised. Please ask.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I downloaded the software and was trying to use it, but the thing is, I didn't get that window which you have opened in the Word, that Word window. So where references and all was there, I am still confused about that. So can you please put a light on it? I'm just like a nursery child in this PhD, so I have to know everything. So can you please put a light on that?
Which one, ma'am?
Ma'am, the
MS
window
Word,
which you have opened, yes, MS Word, right?
MS Word plugin. So
Citation and references, all the things were there, but I am not able to use that over the phone. Actually, the Word file which I am opening, that is a general like Word window. So can you please put a light on that?
yeah, ma'am. I'll share my screen and again I'll explain how to add that plugin. Are you asking that one only?
Yes, ma'am, the
Oh,
window only where the
yeah.
what
So, yeah, yeah.
references and citations, all those
So,
things were there. So we don't get usually in the normal window. No? So I just wanted to know from where did you get that window? We have to download another software for that or something like that. Please put a light on that.
yeah, ma'am. Actually, see, if you open this Menly desktop version, you can see in the Tools tab. So you can see that two different plugins. One is for Web Importer, one is for MS Word. Now I'm going to uninstall that MS Word plugin. Now it is uninstalled. Now I'm going to explain you how to install it. See, if you uninstall that one, if you open your Word document, you cannot see that Menly icon in your Word document. See, in that reference tab, you can see here, right? So there is no Menly icon, and you make sure that you have to close all the Word documents in your laptop, and then open this Menly desktop and go to the tools, then install MS Word plugin. Just click on it. Automatically it will add it to your Word document. Then open your Word document. Now I'll show you. See, in that reference tab, it was added, right? So previously it is not there in the Word document. Now, if you click on that one, you can see this.
Yes, ma'am, got it totally. That means when I'll add through tools.
Tools. Yeah, yes, ma'am. In the tools only, see, in the tools only, you can see this one. See, if you uninstall MS Word plugin, it cannot be appear in that Word document.
Oh,
So then suppose insert citation, then you can click on any article. Like suppose this article I wanted to add here. So this one.
thank you
See,
so much, ma'am. Thank you. I
thank you.
understand.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Is there any other questions? Yeah, one question I think Braja sir has asked regarding. Can you please spell, sir?
Good morning, madam. Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning. Good morning, sir.
So, how can I got this software from the Windows 7 version?
Actually, it is there, sir. Now I'll show you. S- uh, See this one. See, this is the link Now I'll share with this
Yes, yes.
document. I'll share with this document so that by clicking on this link, you can download this Menly. From menly.com also, you can download this
Yeah, yeah.
software, sir.
Kindly share
I'll
the
share.
using
I'll share.
manual, please.
I'll share, sir.
Yeah, for effective utilization of this software.
Sure.
Thank you so much. It was a wonderful deliver, madam, and very informative. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Excuse me, all the participants, I request you to fill the feedback form, and with that feedback form, if you fill it, we will send this document to your manual. Actually, we are unable to share the document here.
Yes, sir.
Through the chat box, but it was possible in Zoom, but we are unable to send through here. So you please fill the feedback form. We will collect the email IDs from there. There we will share the document. This complete Word document we will share you, which consists of email ID of speaker. Even you can contact her personally through her email ID. So she will clarify all your doubts. And definitely we will assist you on behalf of ISBM to make it fruitful for your research work.
Definitely.
So which consists of the document consists of all the links. Simply you can click those links, you can download the softwares and all the required plugins, and there is a detailed procedure also. So if you are getting any difficulty, you can contact the speaker.
The images also I provided in that Word document step by step. So 9 steps I included: registration, downloading, registration, and adding the articles offline mode and online mode. Then adding those adding the plugins also. 2 plugins, Web Importer and MS Word plugin, and after that adding the articles to the research article or thesis. So these are the steps I provided, and I've given my mail ID also. If you have any doubts while doing this Menly, you can contact me personally. Thank you so much, everyone.
So thank you, Swati, for wonderful presentation and valuable lecture on the Mendeley software. So on the behalf of School of Research and Development, I would like to thank Swati Madam, and definitely this will help our scholars to write nice papers and go for good research. So from the bottom of the heart, I would like to thanks. And we want all other scholars also to participate in such kind of programs so that after coursework also we can connect with each other and share our valuable knowledge with other scholars. I would like to also thank Dr. Pawan Kumar to encourage Swati Madam to give this presentation. So he is always very
I have to thank you
helpful.
both, sir. You and Pawan, sir. You did a great job, actually.
Yeah, Pawan sir is the person behind the scene. So, and this kind of, sir, I also would like to request you to give this XRD software retrieval analysis workshop in the next Saturday. So, but this we want from you, Pawan sir. So at least
Okay, sir. Definitely, sir. Definitely.
expert plus this retrieval analysis we want from you, because we got some XRD data. So better all should learn how to index calculations and all. So have a very great day, madam. Thank you.
Sir, excuse me, sir. I request all the participants to switch on your cameras to have a group pic. And somebody asking, yeah, we recorded this video. We will send you the video link to you. You can download this lecture, or we will upload it in our website or in our YouTube channel. You can download from there. I request all the participants to switch on your camera, please.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. It was a great experience.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you,
you, sir.
If anyone want to share the feedback, please you can share.
Yeah,
Thank you, ma'am.
please share feedback.
If anybody want to share the
link with your scholar group. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Again.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
If anyone wants
My
to share
feedback
the
is
oral
submitted
feedback,
already.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning to all. Thanks for inviting us for this wonderful webinar. You are very talented speaker, ma'am. I would recommend this course to anyone who is in the research field. This was excellent session and provided very valuable information to my career and in my paper writing, madam. Thank you to all. Thank you very much for the madam.
Thank you, sir.
Anyone else? Okay, right. Shall I close this?
Yes, yes, definitely.
Okay, right.
Yes,
Thank you, madam.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
thank you, everyone.
Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
Hemant,
Thank you, sir,
again.
for such a great session.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
We thank all the participants on behalf of ISBM University for joining with us. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, all of you. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.